Hi, Greg Lukey here from Automotive Electrical and Four-Wheel Drive Accessories, that's AE4A. First of all, the very popular National Luna Blue Box. As you can see, all of the connections, the accessories, the plugs, power points are all in the front of this box, not on the side. This is very handy for putting next to wheel arches in the back of four-wheel drives. The thing about National Luna is they give you 1, 2, 3, 4 spare positions to put your 29mm accessory plugs. Take note that all 4 of those are actually pre-wired. There's already a black and a red insulated spade female terminal waiting for you at the back there to put them in. Over here we've got the twin USBs at 2.4 amps each. Next to that we have the standard 12 volt cigarette lighter. Down the bottom we have the all-important Merit plug, in our case for our fridges. And over here is the charging port for your DC charging port, AC to DC wall charger. The National Luna box comes with 2 50 Anderson style 50 amp connector outputs. Also has a red input for solar. Most important, this input actually has to come from the regulator. So you would have solar panel, regulator, and then straight into that input. These outputs can also serve as inputs. You can also connect a secondary battery so you can double your ampere hours. Okay, here we are just sliding the poly lid back on the National Luna battery box. You'll see these 2 battery cables here in pos neg, the mounting kit which has the all-important bracket to mount the battery in here. Also worth noting, this is a 190mm high box which takes up to 140 ampere hour battery. We also throw in this lead which is for the battery charger in the front, the AC battery charger. Notice it's a flying lead, it's 1 metre long. That means this connection goes in the front of the Luna box and you can now hardwire it to any of your favourite battery chargers, or you can put a simple connector plug on it. But that lead enables you to use any charger. Here's a close-up, folks, of just our cigarette lighter plug, what we call the Heller, DIN or Merit plug. There's 3 names. We use that for our refrigerators. Here is the all-important connection for the AC wall charger. Under here, you can just see, if my cameraman can come under here, you'll see the 50 amp connector dedicated solely for charging from solar. And then over here is a really handy isolator switch, spring loaded. So right now it's in the off position, the American style up, spring loaded, and then bang, down is off when it short circuits. On, off.